Hi everyone and welcome to Janice Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 81 Sola Wood Flowers class 5 how to make a chrysanthemum. Now let us see the materials required. First you need Sola Wood paper, the white color paper here. These are delicate and you need to handle with care. And then you need the floral tape. I'm using brown color tape here. Then you need thread to tie the flower, a pair of scissors, flower making wire, and scale and pencil. Take a piece of Sola Wood paper and cut it into two, because we need one strip of 5 or 6 centimeters of length. Take a piece of Sola Wood paper and make marking at 0.5 centimeters and draw the line. Now you have to give a 30-90 cut, a 30-degree cut and a 90-degree cut. That means a slant cut and a straight cut. This step is very important. Give a 30-degree cut first and then give a straight cut. Then again a 30-degree cut and again a 90-degree cut. Prepare two stripes of 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter each. Take the flower making wire and start with 0.5 centimeter first. So you just have to roll it. Okay, one is done. Take another one. Roll it around. Okay, 0.5 is done. Now I'm taking 1.5 1 centimeter. So when you arrange it, it should be little higher than the 0.5. Arrange it like this. So all 1 centimeter is done. Now I'm going to roll 1.5. Place it little higher. And start rolling. And take the last piece. Start from where you finished the previous one. This is how it looks. This is how it looks. Now press it from the bottom. Okay. Press it from the bottom. Also on the top. Just how much ever you can open it without breaking. Without breaking the flower. Okay, so after this, now comes the thread. Now use the thread. Sola wood paper is delicate, so we have to handle it with care. And now pull harder. Yeah. Using the thread, you can pull more. So yes, and pull it more. Tie the knot. Now drape the flower making tape. Mostly with the Sola wood flowers, the brown color tape goes well. It gives a good look. Yeah, so our beautiful chrysanthemum is ready.